Our Signup Cubit is going to have a very similar structure to our Login Cubit. There are only two differences. The first difference is that we're going to add an extra username field, and the second difference is what happens when we click the Sign Up button. So let's create a new folder inside Screens called Sign Up, and here we're going to have a sign up screen .dart, and we'll leave this file empty for now and just focus on adding our Signup Cubit. Let's create a new Cubit, sign up, and now we have our Cubit inside of our signup folder. We can close out some of these files, and let's first start with the signup state. If we look at our login state, we can actually just copy this whole entire thing and paste it into our signup state. We can change out Login Cubit at the top to Signup Cubit, and then replace all of the logins with signup. Our failure, we need to import models.dart, and then required, we should import meta.dart. We want to add the username field, so final string username. The isFormValid, we have to add username.isNotEmpty, and we should make it @required inside the constructor. Make it empty for the initial state. The props, remember to include username, and then finally our copy with username, 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 this.username. Now for our signup Cubit, we can go to our Login Cubit, and let's copy this, and we'll paste it in here. Change out the name Login Cubit and all the logins for signup. We can import repositories for the auth repository, and then remember to add in username changed. Switch out email for username, and now we have our extra field. The method down here should be sign up with credentials. And then the only changes we have to make here are sign up with email and password, pass in the username. Instead of login, there should be sign up. And now we're all done with our signup Cubit. Let's run through sign up with credentials. First, we check if the form is not valid or the state.status is currently submitting. And if either of these conditions evaluate to true, then we just return, because then we know the form is either not valid or the user is already in the process of signing up. Then we await sign up with email and password, and then emit a success status or an error status, depending on if there's an error or not.